For centuries, Nigerian women have adorned their hair with intricate styles. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. You don't need no other body. My body. You don't need no other body. My body. Only you feel my body. My body. Only you feel my body. My body. My body. Bantu knots are one of the most popular traditional hairstyles in Nigeria.
Hey, good time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make it dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady, am I crying with a hair? What do you want telling me? Looking out my fantasy. And let me check if my tab in no rush. It did rush well.
This style originated from the Bantu ethnic group and is often adorned with beads or cowrie shells. Fulani braids are another iconic Nigerian hairstyles.
Yeah.
Named after the Fulani people, this style features braided cornrows adorned with cowrie shells, beads, or metallic accessories. Fulani braids can be styled in various patterns and designs.
Yeah.
Didi is a traditional Nigerian hairstyle that involves weaving the hair, creating intricate patterns and designs.
You're one of the new students, right?
From geometric shapes to floral motifs, Didi style adds a vibrant touch to the hair. It is commonly used to create rows of parallel lines or zigzag patterns.
Look at them, preening like they own the place. Koroba, 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 koro, we are carrying. Koroba, koro, koro, koroba, koroba, koro, we are carrying. Koroba, 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 koro, we are carrying. Koro, koro, koroba, 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 we are everybody carry something.
The Echo Bridge hairstyle is a unique and elaborate Nigerian hairstyle that resembles the iconic Echo Bridge in Lagos. This style involves weaving the hair into a high bun, creating a structure reminiscent of the bridge's arcs. The Echo Bridge hairstyle requires skillful styling and is often worn for special occasions or ceremonies.
Many Nigerian women have embraced their natural hair, discarding relaxers and chemical treatments.
It's time to wake up and live your dreams. Homegirl is playing your jam.
This movement encourages self-love and acceptance, promoting the beauty of natural African hair. These styles celebrate the natural texture of African hair and require minimal manipulation.
So, how's it look?
Some Nigerians opt for human hair extensions, while others choose synthetic ones.
Así que me gusta. Me gusta. Me gusta. Me gusta. Me gusta.
Cornrows and box braids are traditional Nigerian hairstyles that have stood the test of time. These intricate styles require skilled braiding techniques and can be worn in various lengths and designs. They not only serve as a fashion statement but also protect the natural hair from damage.
Flat iron! Heat absorbent alloy metal.
Who the said you could talk?
We've got ceramic and titanium, some for home, some for travel. Short plates for thinking about going all natural.
Maintaining healthy hair in Nigeria's climate requires special care and attention. Here are some tips to keep your hair looking its best. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to avoid dryness and breakage. Deep condition your hair regularly to keep it moisturized and prevent brittleness. Avoid overusing heat styling tools like flat irons and curling irons. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to get rid of split ends and promote healthy growth. Minimize the use of chemical relaxers as they can damage the hair over time. Opt for protective hairstyles such as braids or twists to reduce manipulation and breakage.
Avoid excessive brushing or combing as it can lead to hair breakage. Maintain a healthy diet and hydrate yourself adequately to promote hair growth. Get regular scalp massages to improve blood circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Try natural remedies like aloe vera, coconut oil, or shea butter for deep conditioning treatments. Avoid using excessive heat on the hair and use a heat protectant spray before styling.
No way, I am never going on that stage.
Please click the subscribe button if you enjoy this video and are curious about Nigerian art, culture, people, and market. Thank you.